Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Amazon Echo Dot with your Android smartphone. So first of all, you have to charge your earbuds and case at least to the 50%. At the back you can find this USB-C input for the cable. Next you have to open this charging case and click and hold this back button until this indicator on the front starts blinking blue. Just like that. Right now we can release that button. Do not close this cover and put your charging case close to your phone. Open the Bluetooth settings. Click to pair new device. Select them from the list. Accept pair. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. You can also go for the Play Store and download Amazon Alexa application, this one, and you can add your device also right here in this application. But first of all you have to create a new Amazon account, but if you already have, you can just simply quickly sign in, and you can just simply go to the devices tab, click on the plus in the right upper corner and simply select headphones and pick your Amazon Echo device. You will find here few steps and with the quick setup, and you will be able to use features like, for example, adjust touch controls, use sound equalizer, or for example check serial number and the battery level. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.